All right, I've got a tool that I would like to show you, and have you ever used it before? This thing is pretty clever. Uh, Pretty much all the trades. A carpenter, you're not going to use this, but you're an elevator mechanic. Your job goes up and down all day long. You're into electronics. In my job, I have to test and fix stuff, electrical stuff, and this is a terminal crimper. Not terminal crimper, but it crimps these ends on. Crimping toolkit. I bought it on Amazon, and very inexpensive. I got it for work, and one of my co-workers tonight says, "Otto, make a video on the crimper." I'm like, dude, that's a great idea.